Welcome, good morning, and welcome from socialauditormcq.com. Today, we are going to talk very specifically about social auditor or social audit firm. You have passed the exam, congratulations. Just start your journey with all the capabilities. And my advice to you that read the mother document once again after passing the exam. What are the mother documents? Number 1, SEBI ICDR regulation. Number 2, SEBI LODR regulation. Number 3, SSC framework issued by SEBI. Number 4, AIF regulation related to social sector exchange and related to social impact instruments. Now, when you read this chapter 10A of the SEBI ICDR regulation, then you will find that it is mentioned over there in regulation 292A sub-regulation G that social audit firm has been defined in this sub-regulation G. It says that social audit firm is a firm which has employed social auditor, number 1. Number 2 criteria that it has at least a minimum track record of 3 years. 3 years for what? Social audit? No. It must have 3 years track record of doing social impact assessment studies, SIA studies. And with these two criteria, that means what is going to happen? Who will be engaged by the NPOs who are registered or listed on social stock exchange? Social auditor or social audit firm? You may have become the social auditor, but how? How things will happen without social audit firm? And see, now read chapter 9A of SEBI LODR regulation, particularly regulation 91E. Regulation 91E clearly says that annual impact report shall be audited by a social firm employing the social auditor. Now, chicken and egg story. But remember, in India, social audit started from 1992 when there was 73rd constitutional amendment which empowered Gram Sabha to engage third party as a social auditor. But social auditor profession is emerging now with SEBI initiated qualification. Now the question is that how you can become the partner in social audit firm or how you shall create the social audit firm. Because this social auditor, becoming a social auditor is only first step in the right direction. But this is not the area where from this is not that individual social auditors will be engaged for the purpose of social audit. It is clearly mentioned in regulation 91E chapter 9A SEBI LODR regulation. Read it once again. Now what to do? If you are planning the big work in the field of social audit or in the field of non-profit organizations, then my advice is create a social audit firm. Take 2-3 persons, friends of yours who have passed this exam, create a social audit firm. If not today is 23, by 26 your social audit firm will be eligible to do social audit. In the meantime, you can do SIA studies because there is no qualification. You can prepare project concept note, you can file and you can apply in the tenders of the government which are issued by state government, various social ministries, departments, by district authorities or by Gram Sabha, and there collect the experience. And why? You might be wondering that I have passed this exam and now suddenly I am being told that social audit firm will be engaged for the audit. Why so? Because see, this audit is very different. This will not be a cakewalk. Without a team, none of the auditor will be able to complete this audit because it needs thorough study, it needs formatting, it needs field interviews, it needs desktop review, it needs lot many things. And these lot many things will not be possible for any individual. Perhaps that has been visualized by the regulator, and therefore regulator has prescribed that social audit firm must have experience of 3 years. But because social audit is starting now formally, how firm can have the experience of 3 years? Therefore, this has been prescribed that this experience must be to carry out SIA studies. And SIA studies became mandatory in 2021 by Ministry of Corporate Affairs when the notification came in the month of February 2021. And thereafter 21-22, 22-23, 23-24, by the time social audit will start, 3 years of SIA will be complete. Means the social audit firms which were created at that time, they will be completed 3 years on 31st March 2024, and all of them will become eligible. Either identify social audit firm, become a partner over there whenever you want to do the audit, or create your own social audit firm so that you can onboard other social auditors who will be qualifying after you as soon as your firm gains experience and completes 3 years journey. All the best. We will be discussing such information for the social audit professionals, social auditors, qualified social auditors. Stay connected with us. Continue to visit again and again www.socialauditormcq.com. This paid portal is for you so that you can confidently continue your journey. All the best. Thank you for today.